Hey there YouTube. If your machine's too old to upgrade, but you don't have the funds for a new one, buying a refurbished PC might be an answer for you. But what should you look for? For only a couple of $100s, a decent PC can be had from a reputable refurbished PC supplier with a warranty. Whether it's just something to keep you going for a year or two, a PC for a special project, or something for somebody who's studying at the moment, a refurb, possibly with an upgrade or two, could be a real bargain. Even if you don't have a specialised PC refurbisher nearby, plenty of computer shops get old trade-in machines that they might be able to do one up for you and sell, and be happy to do you a deal. There's a few basics you'll definitely want. Check back through episode 46 linked up here, where we talked about the basic CPU and RAM that you'll need. You'll also want to make sure the machine has enough disk space for your needs, and a genuine activated copy of Windows 10. My local supplier, National Computer Supplies, has a refurbished i5 with 4GB of RAM and a 250GB hard drive for only $200 Australian dollars, plus $30 for a screen and $20 for a brand new keyboard and mouse, because who wants a grotty old one? You could even splash out an extra $100 or so, upgrade it to 8GB of RAM and get an SSD put in, and get a really schmick machine for maybe just over $350. Buying refurbished also brings up the question of buying second hand, maybe from eBay or a local Facebook group. To me, this does have higher risk. Refurbished machines are tested and warranted, and have a business behind them with a reputation to uphold. Joe on Facebook or eBay is just trying to get rid of a computer that he doesn't want anymore, and all he'll probably do to get it ready for sale is maybe delete his files from it. That said, if you know what you want, and you know the prices, you might be able to pick up a bargain. With anything second-hand, there's always an element of risk. But to be honest, the things that are most likely to go wrong in an older PC are the power supply, which you can get for $40, fans, which you can get for $10, and the spinning hard disk, which you can probably replace for maybe $40 or $50. And these really aren't that common a problem, especially if you keep the machine cleared of dust once a year. I hope that was helpful for you. At the Tech Doctor Network, we're here to guide you through the maze of technology. You can click the logo down here to subscribe, or you can check out some of the older videos up here and down here. Or you can go to our Facebook page and find a new Facebook group where you can ask any questions that you might have. Or pop them in the comments below, and we'll see what we can do to get them sorted for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.